The world we live in is ever more competitive. In the past, a racing car driver would feed back information to the pit lane, sometimes as fast as possible during a pit stop, more often than not after the race was over. The team would then react to the information retrospectively. Things are a little different these days. The pace of change is almost as rapid as the modern car itself. The team, some based trackside, some hundreds, even thousands of miles away, are able to monitor the car's performance, allowing the driver to make immediate adjustments. There are many similarities between Formula One and Rolls-Royce. The world we inhabit is just as competitive, and crucially, we too now have the technology to work as a global team, to work concurrently and share design, manufacture, build and test, irrespective of boundaries. The way we manage data has changed beyond comparison over the last few years. Product lifecycle management gives us an opportunity to bring much greater synergy to bear on the way we develop our products, from design through to manufacture and build. Our company has become a global concern, and it's more important now than ever before that we have the ability to use, share, and reuse this resource to greatly improve the time to market and quality of our products. Just as with a Formula One racing team, having this shared resource is not enough. It's how we use it that's important. We now have the capability to engineer, respond, and re-engineer in a way that was simply not possible a few years ago. The important issue here is to enable our people to do the job more efficiently, more effectively, in a more repeatable way. PLM drives new business processes with new roles, underpinned by world-class infrastructure and tools. It's the single globally secure source of product information which fully integrates the define, validate, produce, and support activities within a controlled framework. PLM links all of this together and allows the engagement and working together across our global business, internally and externally. If we're to reach the checkered flag before the competition, we need to embrace PLM as a critical enabler. Our teams, whether in the pit lane or thousands of miles away, need to be fully focused on our mutual tasks. Product Lifecycle Management is a program of business change which provides a single home for our product definition data throughout the lifecycle. PLM brings together design, manufacture, build, and test, moving from a sequential handoff to concurrent collaborative working. There are three fundamentals to PLM: a single source of information, integrated processes, in a global collaborative environment. PLM isn't just about teamwork, it's about integrated teamwork.
The fundamental of PLM is that it actually enables all the engineering parts of the organisation and the manufacturing and the supply chain to link together on a common model.
And what PLM does is put us all into the same space, which means that we can all be watching the product evolving all at the same time.
The key word in PLM is life cycle, and exploitation of product data throughout the life cycle. Now, I'm not saying this superficially, I mean that's the important element of that. Master data, product data, used not just for design purposes, for manufacture, for supply chain, for service. So positive exploitation of product data across the total value chain.
It's fundamentally how we're going to operate, and it affects everybody: supply chain, ops, finance, human resources, engineering, aftermarket, component services, everybody.
Rolls-Royce has been making engines for years. Indeed, we've always developed products. We've been able to share with other Rolls-Royce sites and partners and suppliers. We've been able to interact and make changes to product definitions. But we've never been able to do all of this all at the same time and in different geographic locations. This is the crucial difference with PLM. But why now? What's the motivation?
Our competitors are getting better, and we cannot sell our products at a profit, which we have to do being a PLC, unless we beat the cost base of our competitor.
Our industry is just as competitive as Formula One motor racing. What used to take the race technicians whole seasons to modify can now take a matter of hours or even minutes. Like Rolls-Royce, the Red Bull racing team uses Teamcenter and NX to enable their PLM processes.
PLM is one of the biggest opportunities for our whole company to make a difference and win in the competitive battle. And I would encourage everyone to either go and get involved in the program. The program has lots of opportunities for people to make huge contributions to what the company looks, feels and behaves like in future. If you can't be actively involved day by day in being part of the delivery of the program, at least go find out. Go understand what's around the corner. Go understand and start thinking about, actually, what's the world going to be like? What would I like this to be? And start making a contribution. Get involved, make your say.
Speed is of the essence. Cost is of the essence, technical expertise is of the essence. PLM is the tool that enables us to glue all that together.
Here at Rolls-Royce, we have the tools, the process, and critically, the people to change the way we work. With a single source of information, integrated processes, and global collaboration. PLM is our formula for success.